So guys, uZinxumalo ukhale waze wayithola idiyo. Sekusele thina guys nama-lyrics ukuthi sikhalele into eyodwa. Zinxumalo was spotted wearing idiyo and she took a video wearing a diyo. Uyikhalele waze wayithola guys. Sekusele thina-ke esikhalela into eyodwa guys. Yena bekakhalela idiyo, bekangakhaleli into eyodwa. Did Singer mention in her previous videos that yena ukhalela idiyo akakhaleli into eyodwa guys? Here's the video if you don't believe me guys.
Ngicela ningithengeleni idiyo ngiyayithanda kunini ngikhala khala khalela idiyo ngicela ningithengeleni idiyo ngiyayithanda.
Except for more videos, can you please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon in order to be the first person to know whenever I upload a new video.